Hello everyone, Jai Swaminarayan. My name is Sonali Trivedi and today I am going to start Professional Ethics and Semester 5. The subject code is 3150709. Professional Ethics and the subject code is 3150709. Here you must be aware of the unit number 1, concepts and theories of business ethics. Concepts and theories of business ethics. Points which I am going to discuss in this chapter are the concepts and theories of business ethics, and the points which I am going to discuss in the chapter are definitions of ethics, personal ethics and business ethics, advantages of professional, और इसको और दूसरी तरह से जाना जाता है बिजनेस एथिक्स. इट इज़ ऑल्सो नोन एज बिजनेस एथिक्स. कंसेप्ट ऑफ मोरालिटी एटिकेट एंड प्रोफेशनल कोड्स, मोरालिटी एंड लॉ, religion and morality. How are moral standards formed? Indian ethical traditions. These are the points of chapter 1, concepts and theories of business ethics. Here first of all we must be aware of the word ethics and the definition of ethics. The word ethics is derived from ethics. The word ethics is derived from the Greek word ethikos, ethikos. The word ethics is derived from the Greek word ethikos. Its meaning character or custom. It means character or custom. Ethics is concerned with the principles of right conduct. Ethics is concerned with the principles of right conduct also. It deals with concepts such as right, wrong, good, bad and responsibility. Ethics, it is concerned with the right and wrong. What is the decision which you are going to take? Is it benefit or not, good or bad? It depends on the person. As its simplest, ethics is a system of moral principles. Ethics is a system of moral principles. They affect how people make decisions. कि किस तरह in these situations people take decitions and lead their lives, और किस तरह वो अपनी ज़िंदगी जीते हैं. At its simplest, ethics is a system of moral principles. They affect how people make decisions and lead their lives. The word ethics is derived from the Greek word ethikos, which means character or custom. Ethics is concerned with the principles of right conduct. It deals with the concepts such as right and wrong, good or bad and responsibility. Ethics is a system of moral principles. They affect how people make decisions and lead their lives. What is good for you and bad for you. Ethics is concerned with what is good for individuals. एक आप इंडिविजुअल तरह से आप सोचोगे मेरे लिए क्या अच्छा है. The path which I am going to select. Ethics is concerned with what is good for individuals and society. And it is also described as moral philosophy. वो इंडिविजुअल भी सोचेगा अपने बारे में, सोसाइटी भी को वो ध्यान में रखेगा व्हाट इज़ मोरल फॉर मी एंड व्हाट इज़ गुड फॉर मी, एंड इज ऑल्सो डिस्क्राइब्ड एज मोरल फिलोसॉफी ऑल्सो. According to Collins English Dictionary, ethics is science of morals. Ethics is science of morals, moral principles and rules of conduct. कॉलिन्स की इंग्लिश डिक्शनरी एथिक्स के लिए क्या कह रही है? एथिक्स इज साइंस ऑफ मोरल्स. मोरल्स इट ए नैतिक विच यू आर गोइंग टू टेक अ डिसीजंस फॉर यू, फॉर योर सोसाइटी एंड द बेनिफिट ऑफ योर सोसाइटी एंड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. एथिक्स इज साइंस ऑफ मोरल्स, मोरल प्रिंसिपल्स एंड रूल्स ऑफ कंडक्ट. Ethics covers the following dilemmas. ethics covers the following dilemmas. When you are going to select the path, what is right for you, what is wrong for you, and what is benefited for you for a long term, you must have to think twice and thrice which path I am going to select. Is it benefit for me after 10 years? How to live a good life? How to live a good life? Our rights and responsibility. हमारे rights क्या हैं और हमारी responsibility क्या है? The language of right and wrong. The language of right and wrong. कौन सा लैंग्वेज हमारे लिए सही है और गलत है? Our rights क्या है और our responsibilities क्या है? And how to live a good and better life. Moral decisions like what is good and bad for us. Not only for starting individuals से लेके society, organization and whole world के लिए क्या अच्छा है. So how to live a good life, our rights and responsibilities, the language of right and wrong, moral decisions, what is good and bad. These are the dilemmas of ethics. Next, here I am going to define the difference between personal ethics and business ethics. Personal ethics and business ethics. Personal ethics and business ethics. You can also find out here I am going to define the difference in business ethics is also known as professional ethics. Business ethics is also known as professional ethics and personal ethics. Business ethics is the code of conduct imposed on an employee or a member of certain profession. Business ethics किसके लिए implement होगा? और employee is the code of conduct imposed on an employee और अ मेंबर ऑफ सर्टन प्रोफेशन. कोई भी प्रोफेशन के रिलेटेड कोई एम्प्लॉई कलीग्स हो या कोई बिजनेस की कंपनी में जॉब कर रहा हो, उसको ये बिजनेस एथिक्स रिलेट होता है. जबकि पर्सनल एथिक्स इज द कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट दैट गवर्न्स एन इंडिविजुअल्स होल लाइफ. पर्सनल एथिक्स इज द कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट दैट गवर्न्स एन इंडिविजुअल्स होल लाइफ. इंडिविजुअल की लाइफ के लिए पर्सनल एथिक्स वो रिलेट करता है. इज इट रिलेटेड? बिजनेस एथिक्स लर्न रिलेटिवली लेटर इन लाइफ. कभी कभी द मोर वी गेट एक्सपीरियंस इन अवर डे टू डे लाइफ एंड बिजनेस लाइफ, वी फील कि नहीं अब तो मेरे लिए और अच्छा है, इट्स मोर बेनिफिटेड फॉर मी. सो लर्न रिलेटिवली लेटर इन लाइफ, स्पेशली आफ्टर ज्वाइनिंग द वर्क फोर्स. अगर आप कोई भी काम स्टार्टिंग कर रहे हो लेकिन डे बाय द मोर एक्सपीरियंस पर्सन आप बन जा रहे हो, तो प्रोफेशनल लाइफ की इतनी मोर बेटर होगी. वाइल इन पर्सनल एथिक्स लर्न फ्रॉम चाइल्डहुड योर मैनर्स, योर कैरेक्टर, हाउ टू यूज विच लैंग्वेज एंड वेर यू आर विथ whom you are talking. So learn from childhood, influenced by family, religion, friends and closer surroundings. It is also influenced by family. फैमिली भी आपके पर्सनल एथिक्स में कंसर्न है, आपका रिलीजियन भी है, फ्रेंड्स एंड क्लोज सराउंडिंग्स, आपके जो आसपास के लोग हैं वो भी पर्सनल एथिक्स में ही रिस्पॉन्सिबल है आपके. जबकि बिजनेस होगा प्रोफेशनल में, वो आफ्टर ज्वाइनिंग आपका वर्क एक्सपीरियंस, द मोर यू आर मोर एक्सपीरियंस आप लेते रहोगे आपके फील्ड में. सो योर बिजनेस एथिक्स आपको तभी पता चलेगी द मोर यू gaining experience in your professional life, you live a long life. But personal ethics, it is learned from childhood, your family, friends, surroundings and those who are nearest to by your heart. In business ethics, examples include punctuality, time management, confidentiality and transparency. Business ethics, it include punctuality. सो टाइम पे हमें जाना है. नो, हियर मेरी टाइमिंग की जॉब है, मैं यहाँ पर जॉब कर रहा हूँ, मैं एम्प्लॉय हूँ, XYZ, वी मस्ट हैव टू बी पंक्चुअल. टाइम मैनेजमेंट, वी मस्ट हैव टू फॉलो द टाइम शेड्यूल. कॉन्फिडेंशियलिटी, अब जो भी आपको टास्क दिया हो कॉन्फिडेंशियलिटी के साथ, सो डोंट टू शेयर विथ एनीबडी, सो यू मस्ट हैव टू कीप इट सीक्रेट. एंड ट्रांसपेरेंसी भी होनी चाहिए. So business ethics include punctuality, time management, confidentiality and transparency. Once again, business ethics is a code of conduct imposed on an employee or a member of certain profession. Learn relatively later in life. The more experience you live a long, more with experience, more the more you gain experience, you live a long life in your field, especially after joining the workforce. Examples include punctuality, time management, confidentiality, and transparency. While in personal ethics, examples include honesty, openness. Whatever the matter you are going to face, you have to open minded होना चाहिए. Honesty, openness, integrity, sincerity. These are the points of personal ethics. Personal ethics is the code of conduct that governs an individual's whole life. It is learned from childhood, influenced by family, religion, friends, and closer surroundings. Examples include honesty, openness, integrity, sincerity, etc. So this is the difference between business ethics and professional ethics. So keep in mind, these are the points of how can this personal ethics and professional business ethics differ from each other. Thank you very much, dear all. Jai Swaminarayan.